Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to see traffic info on Google Maps. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Maps app. If you don't have it, be sure to download it from either the iOS App Store or Google Play. Step 2. If you want to check a specific location or area, enter that location or area in the search bar. Otherwise, just proceed to. Step 3. To see the traffic in your vicinity, your next step is to tap the layers icon in the top right, which looks like a square with an additional chevron underneath. A menu will pop up with layer options, and you want to tap the traffic button. Step 4. All major roads will now feature traffic levels with the same traffic light colors scheme: green meaning light traffic, red meaning heavy, and amber denoting everything in between. There you go. Google's traffic information is actually collected using real-time data from other Google Maps drivers. That way you can see what the conditions are like in almost real time, but that's not the only thing you can do in Google Maps. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.